Hi student, welcome to Perfect Classes Madalagaon. In previous video we complete practice set 1.3. In this video we see the theorem of areas of similar triangle. In this video we see the complete theorem of areas of similar triangle. First we read the statement, or to solve or to prove any theorem we read the given statement carefully. In this statement there are two parts. In any statement there are two parts. One part is known as given part and one part is known as proven part, or to prove. When a statement starts from when, this part is known as given. Here first we read the statement of our theorem, and the statement is when two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles, is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. From the given information, first we construct figure. To solve any theorem, no figure, no credit. From the given information, first we construct the figure of that theorem. Here, when two triangles are similar, from this information we will construct two triangles. The name of triangle ABC. Here I already construct two triangle ABC and triangle PQR. These are the two triangles. And in triangle ABC, AD is the height, and in triangle PQR, PS is the height. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. Here we construct two similar triangles. They are similar to each other. Now, how to write given part? Here we will write the given part in this figure. Triangle ABC, similar to triangle. Which triangle? PQR. These two triangles are similar to each other. Also, AD is perpendicular to the BC, and PS perpendicular QR. These are perpendicular. Now, what is the to prove? Here, the ratio of areas of those triangles. The ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Therefore, from this we will write what is the proven part, or what is to prove. The ratio of areas of those triangles. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. The ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to squares of their corresponding sides. Which are the corresponding sides? There we will write here corresponding sides. AB square upon PQ square is equal to BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. Here we will write to prove. Given these two triangles are similar and these are the perpendiculars, also the ratio of these two triangles, the ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. Now, the most important part, proof. How to prove? Here in this chapter, when we start the similarity, first we learn ratio of areas of two triangles. What is the property of ratio of areas of two triangles? The property says that the ratio of areas of any two triangles is equal to the ratio of products of their corresponding bases and their corresponding heights. Therefore, from this property we will write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. The property says that the ratio of areas of any two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding height and base. Therefore, the base is the BC and the height is AD. In the same way, we will write the base and height of other triangle. It will be QR into PS. We will write these BC separately upon QR into AD upon PS. Name that equation number 1. This is the first property we learn in when we start the chapter. Ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding heights and base. This is the equation number 1. Now we take these two triangles here. I write which two triangle in triangle. Here I colored these two triangle in triangle ABD and in triangle PQS. We will take these two triangles in triangle ABD. Here we take in triangle ABD and triangle PQS. In these two triangles, angle B is congruent to the angle Q. Angle B congruent to the angle Q. This is the given. They are given. These two are the congruent angle. Why these two are the congruent angle? Because these two triangles are similar and the corresponding angle of similar triangles are congruent. Also, these are the perpendicular. Therefore, ADB angle ADB congruent angle PSQ. The reason is that each 90 degree. They are 90 degree. When two angle of two triangles are congruent, then the triangles are similar. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to the triangle PQS, and the reason is that AAS, these two triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion. Good. The corresponding sides are in proportion. Which are the corresponding sides? Here AB upon PQ equal to AD upon PS. Here I write AD upon PS. Therefore, AD upon PS equal to AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ. Name that equation number 2. The reason is that corresponding side of similar triangle. Corresponding sides of similar triangles. Here we write the reason, corresponding sides of similar triangle. Equation number 2. This is equation number 1. But what is the given? But triangle ABC similar to the triangle PQR. These two are similar triangles. Therefore, the corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. Name that equation 3. The reason is same, corresponding sides of similar triangle. This is the equation number 3. Now observe equation 1, 2nd and 3rd carefully. In equation 1, 2nd and 3rd, AD upon PS. Here also AD upon PS. We replace AD upon PS as AB upon PQ. Here we replace AD PS. Also AB upon PQ is same as BC upon QR. These two are the same. These two ratio same. Therefore, we replace BC upon QR at the place AB upon PQ. Therefore, from equation 1, 2 and 3, using these three equations, we will write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to, here BC upon QR. These two ratios are same. Therefore, we replace, or at the place of BC upon QR, we will substitute AB upon PQ into, here AD upon PS. Here also AD upon PS. We will replace AB upon PQ. Here we will write the reason from equation 1, 2 and 3. What is the product of these two? Here AB into AB square, and PQ into PQ square. Therefore, we can prove that area of triangle. Therefore, we will prove. What is the proof? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to same way BC square upon QR square is equal to AC square upon PR square. This is the theorem we can prove. This theorem is known as theorem of areas of similar triangle. This is the most important theorem. For watching more videos, subscribe our Perfect Classes Madhargaon channel. Also press the bell icon. Here we stop. In next video we see practice set 1.3. The practice set 1.3 is based on this theorem. You may remember this theorem, or how to remember this theorem. First we read the statement carefully, then we construct figure given to prove, and then we write the proof. Here first we write the ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding bases and height. This is the equation number 1. How we write this proof? Then we take these two triangles. Here I colored these two triangles by orange color, ABD and PQ. Yes, in these two triangles, B congruent to the Q. Here I write B is congruent to the given. Also these are the perpendiculars. Here also each 90 degree. Then we can prove these two triangles are similar by the test of AA. Then the corresponding sides are proportion. AD upon PS, corresponding sides of similar triangle are in same proportion. But these two triangles are similar, therefore the corresponding sides also are in proportion. Name that equation number 3. Now from 1, 2 and 3 we will write AB into AB, AB square upon PQ square. Same area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Here the ratio of areas of those triangle means in these two triangles, the ratio of areas of those triangle is equal to the ratio of squares of their corresponding side. Is equal to the ratio of squares of each corresponding sides. This is the theorem we will prove. In next video we see practice set 1.3. Today we stop here.